Hey guys, this is Charlie, and today I'm going to show you a quick fix to take care of your soundbar going off. This is my Vizio soundbar, and I've had it now for a few weeks, and it just keeps going off. After about an hour or so, you step away, you come back, and it's off, and you see this. There's no volume. You have to turn it back on and stuff. I went through all my TV controls and everything. I changed the wires behind. Nothing worked until I pick up the remote, and the problem is basically in the remote, and that's where the fix is. The first thing you want to do is you're going to click on your menu, and so you want to start going through your menu until, and you can see you have a lot of controls on here which I didn't even know I could do. And you want to go until there you go. You're going to go back. You want to go to Eco Power right here, and you can see it's on. Eco Power is on. You want to turn it off. Make sure you turn it off and keep it off. That is what cutting it off. If it, I guess there's some kind of sensing software on there that I don't know why it does this, but it just cuts off. And so that's what I did, and the problem went away for good. While you're in there, you can also go ahead and just click through it and set up if you want more bass on there. If your speakers at the back is making too much noise, you need to cut off some of the treble. You can just do that also. You can just start taking off trebles, putting treble, and really set up your surround sound how you really like it. So you can, your center speaker, which is the speaker right here, you can up it if you want more volume, or you can down it right here. Surround sound, you can also increase your surround sound. You can also your surround sound balance, your subwoofer. If you not getting bass, you can control your subwoofer in here also. You can do your movie EQ and change that. You can go through movie, music, direct, and normally I keep mine on movie, and surround sound is on, so everything is on. But the real thing you want to get rid of is your Eco Power. Make sure it's off, and your soundbar will stay on all the time.
And we're sitting there.
So that's how you fix your soundbar going off whenever you walk away from the room. This is Charlie. Like and subscribe. More fixes will come.
Damn.